Welcome all to Off the Cuff with Namrata, and I am so excited to be here with इम्तियाज़ अली. मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था, जिंदगी में गम है, गम में दर्द है, दर्द में मज़ा है और मज़े में हम हैं. तो आप कैसे हैं?
Nice.
Good. And because I think the films of Imtiaz Ali are very similar to the saying, they are a journey through pain, pleasure, perception, and in the end coming to terms with your own identity. He's a seeker in himself, a visionary. तो पहले तो बताइए आप साला का कैसा आपका एक्सपीरियंस है यहाँ? पहली बार ही आए हैं बे एरिया में?
पहली बार साला में आया हूँ.
हाँ.
और बे एरिया में पहले आया हूँ कई बार.
Okay.
Quite a few times. I even shot here for a film called Love Aajkal.
Okay.
But कल यहाँ रिसेप्शन था.
Yes.
जहाँ आप मिली थी और वो बहुत खूबसूरत था, बहुत अच्छे, बहुत आर्टिकुलेट और बहुत इंटेलिजेंट और क्रिएटिव लोग कल मिले.
Yes.
I can see the enthusiasm in all of them, and it was actually a meeting of great friends, although many of us didn't really know each other from before. So I'm really looking forward to spending time at Sala. The vibe is excellent.
Okay.
Looking forward to my own talk soon.
Absolutely, we're looking forward to the panel discussion that you're about to have. You said in an interview that your movie Rockstar was your ex-girlfriend. People keep talking about that all the time when you want to move forward with other projects. Is that really true? And how that does it weigh heavily on your?
जैसे गालिब कहते हैं ना कि बक रहा हूँ बेखुदी में क्या क्या कुछ ना समझे खुदा करे कोई. So sometimes in some a momentary lapse of reason I must have said something silly like that, but no, Rockstar is a picture that a lot of people talk about, and I talk about it a lot as well. And that's all right. I think it's a good thing that they do talk about it. And it was re-released recently to great effect in cinema theatres in India. It did very well as well. And then after that, Laila Majnu was released, and then now Tumbad is released, and a lot of movies are being re-released in India. Rockstar,
Do you think it's a good trend though?
It's a wonderful thing.
Achha.
I think cinema is permanent, and cinema should be made keeping in mind not the quickness of its release and box office, but the longevity of cinema.
Okay, and we've grown with your. मैं तो नहीं grown, but I've seen so many of your films from the very beginning. सोचा ना था. You have this, and you are from a small town, जमशेदपुर. तो आपकी sensibility भी मुझे लगता है movies में थोड़ी small town का जो दिखता है जैसे आप present करते हैं. क्या आप सोचते हैं वो सच है? Because we've not gotten the NRI movies from you, so you cater to that very जो deep down.
Actually,
is it so,
I think all art is a communication with oneself,
Yes.
and I cannot and do not want to take away from myself who I am. So
Okay.
my movies definitely reflect where I come from.
Okay, and obviously music is such a character in your, it's a separate identity
Ji.
to itself. So, and you have a team of, Irshad Kamil,
Ji.
you and A.R. Rahman together.
Ji.
Anything you'd like to say or, give us a, story about your sitting with A.R. Rahman?
No, with Rahman sir, the question, it's always, every song is a new way of working. There is no procedure. That is the great thing about him, that after so many songs, he's not set a procedure of how to make a song. Some song begins with a word, some song begins with a car drive, some song begins with some conversation. In many songs, I give him the situation. In many songs, he says, I have something going on in my mind ever since you told the story, and that leads to a song. So I think with Rahman and with Irshad, I feel that it's almost like he's my poetic voice in the film, or I am his cinema voice. So I think I'm actually quite lucky to have met Irshad early in my career.
Yeah, wonderful
and
writer.
both of us have pushed each other to at least we have tried to push each other in the direction of better work, more satisfying for oneself, and perhaps also more rewarding for the audience.
Absolutely, we enjoy each and every song that you all make. और चमकीला की हम कल ही बात कर रहे थे वैसे, तो चमकीला was another feather in your cap, I have to say. और आपका जो कुछ साल जो 2-3 मूवीज उससे पहले आई थी वो कुछ नहीं चली. I mean it didn't appeal to your fans, I guess, and you have a cult following, I have to say. उस पे मैं भी मौजूद हूँ. चमकीला was such a he's back kind of a thing, really, and very different. Never heard of अमर सिंह चमकीला. हालांकि मैं हिमाचल से हूँ तो पंजाब, but it released on Netflix. So do you think it got its audience, or you think कि अगर ये थिएटर्स में आती तो ज्यादा रूरल एरियाज जाती? और
हाँ, हो सकता है. और कहना मुश्किल है कि क्या होता. But fact of the matter is that I wanted to make it with Diljit.
अच्छा.
And he was the right absolute cast for this film. And Netflix, before we started shooting the film, wanted it. And they were very loving, very affectionate, and very, very in love with the film. So it went directly to digital.
अच्छा.
और बहुत लोगों ने देखा.
It was good though.
हाँ, मतलब it has its. See, at this time, I don't think people totally realize the potential of either the digital medium or its shortcomings. We don't know exactly what the advantage or disadvantages would be at this time. But after some time, I guess we will realize what the differences are. But I would say that it turned out nicely for us that it went to Netflix, and no problem about it. But had it come in the theaters, we don't know what would have happened. It probably, like everyone says, it would have been even better. But koi baat nahi. As long as people get to see the film, it's fine.
Absolutely. And you said that you are a people person. You love talking to people, not journalists, but you can interact very well. आप जहाँ भी जाते हैं, छोटे शहरों में, बड़े शहरों में, you love meeting different kinds of people. So how do you put that kind of an aspect of your life in your movies? कभी when you're writing or when you're directing, कभी ऐसे लगता है कि
I'm sure.
I met that guy or girl, and
also it is not such a direct or a simplistic transaction either. I think things get accumulated into your subconscious, and it's not consciously that you do make an interaction to be able to put it in cinema, or something that you write might be sourced from some event in your life which has over a time marinated into a certain thought or a certain picture. So I think that life has or incidents that you see, your own experiences in life have a relationship with the work that you do in films, but it need not be an extremely direct relationship.
Okay. And बस जल्दी में एक और क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपने कहा था you have a lot of friends who were engineers. You kind of wanted to started with engineering, but then went into and your loser friends are here now. You said I could have easily been a Silicon Valley tech thing, but we are glad you didn't do that. So
no, because I was in pure science at a time when everybody who became an engineer just came to America to work on Y2K and etc. So they all are engineers. I'm the one that went the other way. And went into literature and finally into theatre and films. So I'm the one that. So when I come to a place like Bay Area, I have a lot of friends, and all of these guys are school friends. So it's always fun to hang with them.
Yeah. So after Chamkila, what are you seeing from your window seat?
Well, there's a show that we are developing also for Netflix, and that's based on a story that's my story, and I'm writing it and producing it, and not directing though. And there is another, and there's a film that I'm still writing.
So looking forward to it. इनकी जो फिल्म्स होती हैं, आई थिंक एवरीबडी रिलेट्स टू इट. तभी मैंने लिखा है कि तेरी मंजिल मेरी मंजिल से मिलती नहीं, फिर क्यों तू हमराही सा लगता है. So we all relate to what you Palin, be it Rockstar, be it Chamkila, be it Jab We Met, or any other, especially Highway. You did something so special for Alia Bhatt, I had to say, but I'll let you go because after Student of the Year and then she doing Highway was just an amazing transformation.
She is an amazing actor. She's an amazing presence, I feel. I just saw the teaser of her recent film
Jigra, yes.
Jigra, and it's marvelous the way she is, and I wish her all the best all the time.
She is something else, I know.
Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Imtiaz, for coming on Off the
Thank
Cuff. Hope you enjoyed the conversation. Bye-bye and take care.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
Shosha is a creative Indian restaurant located in the heart of Silicon Valley. Shosha is a woman-owned business that serves traditional Indian flavors assimilated with molecular gastronomy techniques. The best Indian bar with happy hours in the Bay Area serves handcrafted drinks inspired by flavors from India with modern craft cocktails that are presented in unique ways. Shosha is a modern take on traditional Indian cuisine. We specialize in corporate luncheon, anniversary celebrations, birthday parties, and catering. Do check us out for a memorable modern Indian dining experience. Shosha is located at 141 South Murphy Avenue in Sunnyvale, California.